to me nice. Talk to me nice. Oh, talk to me nice. Oh. Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Wigzilla Killa, and if you are new here, I would like to welcome you to YouTube Casa, because YouTube Casa is su casa. How to get your weave bone straight, bring it back to life. So let's get into it on how this got bone straight using this baby. For this process, I will be using the Neuro Styling Heat Protecting Spray, which is right here in the blue. I will be also using Away Soft Mousse and Sparkling Soda Shine Mist to have the hair look really shiny. We're going to be needing the Paul Mitchell Flat Iron, paddle brush, and a comb, some clamps to part the hair, and let's go. Here I have divided the hair in two sections. I like to start from the back because it makes this process a lot more easier. I'm going to add a little bit of the Neuro Hairspray, and I'm going to zoom in for you guys so you guys can see how well the Paul Mitchell Neuro Flat Iron straightens the hair right on contact with one swipe. The Neuro Heat Protecting Spray is a really great hair essential to use when you're using the Paul Mitchell Neuro Flat Iron. Here I'm using the flat iron at 450 degrees. The Neuro Heat Protecting Spray does not leave the hair feeling stiff, nor does it allow the hair to feel sticky. So as you can see here, the hair is still soft and in its natural texture. Using a heat protecting spray allows the hair not to burn, especially when you're using human hair. This hair here I'm using is 100% Indian virgin hair, and the plus side to using the Neuro Heat Protecting Spray, it has the hair smelling absolutely amazing. I love how it smells. It has a soft, elegant, almost like a perfume-like kind of smell. Absolutely beautiful. When you're using a heat protecting spray, be very mindful that you want to make sure that it keeps the hair in its same texture. I'm going to zoom in for you guys on this one. See how bouncy and silky the hair still remains after me using the heat protecting spray and the flat iron? That's exactly how you want the hair to look. Please enjoy this lovely elevator music as we complete the finishing touches. Also be sure to watch the ending of the video as I add two special features to this that can complete the full entire look to create having the hair bone straight.
want to thank you all for taking the time out to watch this tutorial. If you haven't made yourself at home yet, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. If you are interested in any other more tutorials that you would want me to talk about, please comment them down below. And also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'll also be linking all the products that I use to make sure, because sometimes the hair gets frizzy. I'll be putting all the products and the hairspray and the brushes, all the products that I use, and list them below, and also put where you can get them as well. Again, you ladies are so beautiful, and I thank you all so very much for watching this tutorial. Mwah.